Okay, we are at the Boiestown Woodsmans Museum.
Portable foamite fire extinguisher.
This is a very old fire extinguisher.
Wow.
Circa 1930. Now that is a wicked fire extinguisher.
Yeah. They've made them so compact now.
Look at that. And there's Cooper doing his thing. Registered Professional Foresters of New Brunswick. Okay. So we are just walking around. I got a picture of Michelle. She's looking extra hot today. Okay. Machine shed number 2.
Old gas tank.
Yeah. It's an old.
It's like it stands up.
That's one of the old pumper. It has the it has the glass top on it too. Yeah, you don't usually see them with the glass top.
Wow.
If this was that antique show on TV, I could sell that for $13,000 right now, even though it's not mine.
Yeah.
So now we are just, nobody's here today because it's Labor Day, and so we kind of have the place to ourselves until the cops get here.
Yeah.
These places, I'm sure, are locked because this is where they have their little powwows. This is the bunkhouse.
Wash tub.
The old wash tub.
And that
There's
too. She had both of them. She also had the round wash machine.
Yeah.
This was before dryers, so there was an old washing machine that was in.
Mm-hmm.
But they found that it would wreck the clothes.
Right.
Because it wasn't made like normal washing machines are made.
Yeah.